The chakras are Muladhara chakra, Svadhisthana chakra, Manipur chakra, Anahuta chakra, Visuddhi chakra, Agga chakra, and Crown chakra. The end nerve of all chakras you can find out at your fingertip. That is how. Here is the first chakra's end nerve, that is Muladhara chakra's nerve is end here. Second chakra is Svadhisthana chakra, that nerve is end here. Third chakra, Manipur chakra, nerve is here. Anahuta chakra, its end nerve is here. Visuddhi chakra, its end nerve is here. Agga chakra, its end nerve is here. Crown chakra, its end nerve is here. In similar way, you can say here is first chakra, second chakra, third chakra, fourth chakra, fifth chakra, sixth chakra, and crown chakra's nerve end it here. Then, if you touch your finger like this way, watch it, and roll it over the palm, then positivity of the right side of human body will make effect over the left side of the human body, as it is its character is negative. Then we can roll like this way, watch it. In similar way, we roll it in this way. But how to enhance the wave of the skin effect of human body or your own body? Then you must chant. You must chant how? Then you should know what is the mantra. Mantra is for Kriya Yoga only. Cling, Krishna, cling. So first is cling. Spelling is K-L-Y-N-G. Second, Krishna, K-R-I-S-H-N-A. Third is K-L-Y-I-N-G. What is the meaning? You can denote from them. First cling, K-L-Y-I-N-G. It is the feminine character of sun energy. Next, Krishna. What is the function of this word Krishna within this mantra? This Krishna is a linking word between energy and our human body. Where is energy? Energy is at cosmic level, ether level, comes from universe towards your body. Third is cling, K-L-Y-I-N-G. Here KL is the main part, denotes as the masculine power of Krishna, 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 Lord Krishna. Then YING stands for which? YING stands for Divine Mother Radha, RADHA, Radha. Then we all know Radha Krishna, the term. Then how we pronounce it and how we roll our hand and what will be the technique? Technique is, it is a composite matter. Watch it, follow it. Keep your fingertip in this way. Watch here, all tips are touching one another. Then I watch you, I show you. Main mantra is Clean Krishna, clean, clean Krishna, clean, clean Krishna, clean, clean Krishna, clean. This is the procedure to apply with the Kriya Yoga mantra. Minimum you should follow up at a time 8 times, but the system is 8 times, 18 times, 28 times, 44 times, 72 times, 96 times, 108 times, 128 times, 144 times. It is not possible to reach 144 times on first day. On first day, you try only 8 times. As your physical status permits, then you enhance the times 8 to 9, 9 to 10,